Thank you all my listeners. Thank you all my subscribers. Today I want to show you how you can read someone WhatsApp messages using your phone. Now, when you want to read someone WhatsApp messages using your phone, just take the phone of Fred or anyone else whom you want to read the WhatsApp messages, and you have a specific conversation that you want to know what is all about. Take his or her phone, go to WhatsApp, open WhatsApp, then to the conversation that you want to read using your phone, click on it, the conversation, then on 3-dot line click on it, then click on more, then export chat. You click on export chat like that. If you want to include the media, well and good. If you want to set the conversation without media, well and good. For my case, let me export the chat without media. Then you wait for a moment. After waiting for a moment, the chat, you read it on your email account. So after copying the chat, you are supposed to send the chat to your email address like this. I'm waiting for the export to be copied, for the chat to be copied, so that I can send it to my email address. It is taking a lot of time. I think it is a big conversation. Yes, just copied. Then, since I want to read the conversation using my phone, since I'm not able to access my friend's phone for a long time to scroll all the conversation, I'll send the conversation to my email. For example, I send to my email. Like that. Then you can leave, or you can give your friend your phone since you're now comfortable. Since now when you want to know what was about the conversation with your phone, you'll be able to know what was all about the conversation. Since you go to your Gmail account, open your Gmail account, then all the conversation will be sent there. If you want to read, if you want to know what was all about, you know that all the conversation has been sent on your email address. Thank you for choosing Gucema as your YouTube channel. I would urge you all who have not subscribed, please go and subscribe. Thank you all. Let's meet again, giving you another tutorial.